The battlefield has changed forever. It's no longer just bullets and tanks. It's AI-controlled drones versus anti-drone systems, and the race is already underway. In modern warfare, drones are everywhere. Surveillance drones, kamikaze drones, swarm drones controlled by artificial intelligence. And here's the problem. Most traditional defense systems weren't built to stop them. That's where DroneShield comes in. They specialize in counter-drone technology, systems designed to detect, track, and neutralize unmanned threats before they strike. This isn't theoretical, it's already being used in real conflict zones today. Their tools include handheld jammers that can disable drones mid-air, RF detection systems that track incoming signals, and AI-powered sensors that automatically identify threats. No missiles, no explosions, just electronic warfare. And this is where things get serious. Drone warfare is cheap. A $500 drone can destroy million-dollar equipment. That flips the entire economics of war. And whoever controls anti-drone technology controls the battlefield. Investors are starting to pay attention. DroneShield trades under DRSHF in the US and DRO on the Australian exchange. It's still a small cap, but it sits right in the middle of one of the fastest growing sectors in defense, and this is just the beginning. Because next, we're not just stopping drones. We're building AI systems that control entire swarms.